Hi, this is Rick Sorsey with Stockdale Kitchen and Bath. And today I wanted to show you the grand finale of our whole home reveal. So I'm going to show you a concept that's very popular in Japan. It's a shower room. So the tub and the shower are all in one space. So very unique design in here. First, let's start with the overall look. So maple cabinets with a storm color stain. The countertops are fantasy brown. Now fantasy brown is a marble quartzite hybrid. Isn't it pretty? And then we have the makeup counter. You know what's cool about the makeup counter? Is look at this waterfall edge and how the grain runs through it. Nice LED mirror. Remember, this is a makeup counter. This is where we're gonna get your lipstick, eyeshadow, all that on. What a great space. So here it is. This is the wet room. So notice what we did is we built two walls here, and they're slanted a little bit, so if any water gets on them, they drain into the drain, and we capped it with the fantasy brown. Wow, what a space. Long lineal drain and a floating bench so that water wouldn't get hung up from the tub. Look at that acrylic tub. How cool and fun with the black. And the gold fixtures, the focal wall, and look at this porcelain tile. How beautiful. Handmade tile. Really a neat feature in here. It's elegant, it's soft. It's informal, but beautiful. This is a really fun room to do. Take a nice big shower and tub together. Fun. Notice that the tub fillet also has a hand shower, so when you're done, you can rinse out the shower or yourself. What a great client. Super fun to work with and was open to new concept, like a wet room. I'm Rick Sorsey. This is Stockdale Kitchen and Bath. And if you have any questions, please give me a call. 661-834-3333. Thanks.